This is a broadcast. We speak to you now, not as enemies, not as rulers, and not as gods. We speak to you as observers. We come from a place far beyond your stars. We have watched your planet spin, watched your oceans rise and fall. We watched your cities grow bright and loud. We have watched you so full of life and so full of potential. But potential means nothing if it's never used. You were gifted a weird world with water, sky, and warmth, a place where life could breathe, grow, and thrive. You were given time to learn and time to unite, time to evolve, not just in mind, but in spirit. But you turned your minds to weapons, you turned your spirits to greed, and you turned your world into a womb. We do not say this to punish. We do not say this to scare. We say it because it is true. You fight over borders that are invisible from space. You judge others by skin, belief, or birthplace. You destroy forests that cannot be replaced. Poison water that generations depend on and call it progress. You build machines to speak louder and louder, but listen less and less. You chase after coins and titles as if they will matter when your sun sets for the final time. And still, some of you care. Some of you fight for peace, for truth, and for life. We have seen your kindness, your art, and your courage. We have seen your children dreaming of stars, and we have seen your elders whispering wisdom. Few still here. But it is not enough, not yet. You must change. Not in 10 years, not in some distant tomorrow. Now, if you continue as you are, you will fall. Not by our hand, but by your own. Your wars will grow sharper. Your skies will grow hotter, and your hearts will grow colder. And when the last voice cries for help, no one will be left to answer. We are not here to save you, humans. We are not your saviors. We are the mirror. We are what comes after if you do not change. This is not the end, but it is close. Close enough to see the cracks. Close enough to feel the silence growing. So hear this, humanity. Be better. Choose life over control and choose truth over pride. Choose each other, because if you don't, there will be no one left to choose anything at all. We are the Watchers, and this is our broadcast.